is the Jeep Wrangler. I'm going to show you the controls for the stereo. Okay, so I'm looking at the stereo right here, the radio. Okay, now to turn it on, we're going to start from the left. All right, to turn it on, it just says right here, push on. You push it and it turns on just like that. Okay, I turn the volume down just so you can hear me talk. Okay, now there's features on here. To turn from AM to FM, there's a switch that says AM, FM. You can press that. There's a satellite radio. There's a disc auxiliary. Okay, so say for instance you have to plug in maybe your iPhone or something, right? Or something, or CD player, or whatever. There's an auxiliary plug-in right here. Okay, right there. All right. Now that's how you do that. Okay, this one right here also has a CD player. You can pop in your CD. Okay, pop in CD and you have a seek. You can seek from track to track. Scan. There's a scan button so you can scan the radio or your CD. R&D info. You can get info about whatever. Right here it says Russell Dickerson yours. Okay. That's right there. You can get info on the CD or the radio station. There's a rewind and fast forward button. And then there's also a time feature that shows you what time it is. It's currently 11:09. All right, right there. All right, and so you have this right here, the music type. You can press that and form. It goes through all of this right here. Oldies, you can go a list. And this right here is push audio select. Okay, you can go back and forth to like adjust the treble, bass, fade, mid-range, all of that. Okay, that's the stereo system. Okay, and if you want to adjust presets for the radio, this is a 1, 2 through 6 right here. You go to the radio station you want, hold down, and it will set that radio station to the preset that you want after about 3 to 5 seconds. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.